today's video, I'm going to share with you my October beauty makeup favorites. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz Beautystyle, and let's go ahead and get started. This makeup that I have here is using most of the favorites that I'm going to show you, and I did do a tutorial, so I'll leave that at the end of this video so you can see how most of these items work. First star of the show here is the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette. I've done several videos and you guys love it because I mean, it's a beautiful palette, and that's what I used to create this look today. This is what it looks like. Make sure to check my channel. Just put Jeffree Star, and you'll find all the videos pertaining to this palette and other things that I have reviewed, like the setting spray and stuff. But some of the colors are really pigmented. It's just wow. This Tarte is a blush. I love their blushes, and especially if it's peach. This one is in the color Kirky. Again, I used it in this makeup tutorial, and it's just so good. It's the perfect peach color. It's matte. It lasts all day. That's why I love them. Here is this from e.l.f. This is the under eye concealer, the camel concealer. I love it so much. It's like one of the best drugstore concealers there could be, in my opinion. Is just like formula. It's just so pretty. Do a video reviewing this. If you've never tried it, try it. The e.l.f. Camel Concealer. To mention this, the Catrice HD Liquid Foundation. It's what I have on. I love it. This is my second bottle. I have a lot of foundations that I finished completely, just like my super favorites, and I have to say this one from the drugstore, like, I haven't found anything like it. It's beautiful in the daylight pictures. It looks like second skin. You do not look cakey, and not to mention this color matches me like it's perfection. This is light beige. So beautiful. I believe that I have a new favorite for powder to set my foundation. Like, I was talking about the It Cosmetics one, oh my god, but I tried this one from Hourglass, which I did use, and oh my god, this is this translucent setting powder. Let me tell you that putting this powder on top of most of the foundations that I've gotten, wow, looks so good. You cannot tell that you have powder on. It's amazing. Love their primer, the Mineral Veil primer, and this is the Veil Translucent setting powder. The only thing I don't like is that it's loose powder and it's more work, it's messy, but I don't care. Like, it's worth it. This is beautiful on your skin. I want to mention this lipstick. I don't know if I mentioned it in my last favorites, but I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with it. I don't know if this is like getting old now, if I need a new one. After like a little while, it doesn't feel that good on the lips. Maybe I just have to get a new one, but it's a matte, beautiful color. A makeup tutorial showing you. I usually wear on the daily basis, like something like this, just a gloss, but I like to play around when I do my videos, and this is gorgeous. And they sell it like in the mini size, the trio. You don't have to buy the big one if you just want to try this. I did do a video swatching like all three because it comes in a set. This is the color Full Panic. Telling you, gorgeous. Mention two mascaras. These are my two babies. One is drugstore, one is high-end. They are both waterproof because you know I love waterproof. Right now I have falsies, but in my daily life I don't use falsies. Real Telescopic Mascara, and this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I love them both so much. They're amazing. I do layer like several coats of them, maybe like 2 or 3. You will be asked, like, do you have falsies on? Like, what did you do differently? It's crazy. And I have the teeniest, tiniest lashes. You can see. I reviewed this one without any makeup. Really see how it extends the lashes. You have to see. I love these both. So mentioning this lip scrub, this I received it in an Ipsy bag, and I believe it was the one with Betty Boop. This is the Kiss Met Buff Sugar Lip Scrub, and I love to put this. It's super moisturizing, and I'm telling you, I feel like it does like a plumping effect because after you scrub, I don't know, it just really like plumps your lips. It doesn't feel irritating or anything. It just feels really moisturizing, and it smells to die for. I did do a video where I used this too, and it's described as a pink champagne, I believe, the scent, and oh my god, it gives me goosebumps because that's how good it smells. And your lips, you're just getting rid of all that dead skin, and everything's gonna apply beautifully. Even if you don't apply anything after, your lips will just feel so soft and nice. Thing I have to mention is this lip gloss that I also received in my Ipsy bag. It has the B because again it's the Betty Boop X Ipsy. I love things that I receive in my Ipsy a lot of times because they're like limited edition. They're great to try new products for the first time, brands that you've never heard of. But yeah, this smells so good. It's what I have on. It's just the beautiful gloss and it smells so good. This is a primer that I'm in love with. It's a primer and also a moisturizer, and it's antioxidant, so it's great. It's by the brand Pure Lease. I have tried several things from this brand and I'm always like so pleasantly surprised how everything works. It's really worked well for my skin. Oily combination, normal, even sensitive. It breaks me out. It doesn't make me look super oily. It feels super light on the face. I use this under makeup to alternate this one with my Clinique one as well that I always use. Matcha green tea antioxidant priming moisturizer. To mention these two items that I have here, which I'm obsessed. This is a fragrance. This is from Bath & Body Works. It's one of their newest fragrances that just came out. Oh my god, if you haven't smelled this. I mean, if you like my perfume favorites that I've shown, you may like this if you have like similar taste to me. But this has a little bit of musk, a little bit of sweetness. Perfect. And can you look at the packaging? I bought everything in this scent. Like the spray, the cream, a scrub. A perfect night scent. It's really good, but it's sweet, so you have to like sweet, but musky. So this is a product, is a feminine hygiene product, is the Vagisil Sensitive Scents Peach Blossom Dry. It's just a spray that you put. What I like about this is that it doesn't leave like a white residue. It specifically says it there. I did do a video of like my favorite hygiene products, that if you love to smell good all day, I talk all about like hygiene. I mentioned the other one, it wasn't this brand, but I recently got this brand and I have to say I've been loving this one maybe just a little bit more than the one I mentioned in that video. And the scents I think are better in this brand too. That's just my opinion, but this is so good. What have you been obsessed with? Have you tried any of the products in this video? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!